السلام عليكم، يعطيكم العافية يا شباب. زي ما اتفقنا على chapter 7 titled incremental analysis, which has many decisions: accept an order at a special price, make or buy, sell or process further, repair, return or replace equipment, elimination of an unprofitable. وفي عنا كمان limited resources راح نضيفه عندكم على الأقل طلابي يعني. أول three decisions is included in the midterm exam. Accept an order at a special price. Special price is called special because it is less than the ordinary selling price, or maybe it is less than the total cost per unit, so it is a special price. To study the acceptance of special price, there is two conditions that must be found. The first one is sales of the product in other market would not be affected. ما بيأثر على مبيعاتي وزبائني العاديين. و it is not working at its full capacity. يعني there is unused capacity that can be used to produce the special order. At the special order, you have to think about reject an order. If you reject the order, so it has, or you have the ordinary sales. If you accept order, what is come with the accepting the order? The new price multiplied by the units that you have to be sold, or you had to sold. There is also some cost. The cost may be fixed, may be variable. It's at majority it's variable. So you have to think about the selling price, the new selling price, and the cost came with the special order, and then you will see if it is a net income or a loss from the special order. مهم جدا. You have to rethink about the two condition that allow you to accept the special order, which is would not be affected. So the special price or special order would not be affected by this special order اللي هم ordinary customers and sales. Also you have unused capacity. For the make or buy, you have to think about the fixed cost. The fixed cost that is can be divided to avoidable and unavoidable cost. That is the most important in the make or buy decision. There is no need to think about the direct cost because every direct is a variable cost. So if you buy, you will not affected by the variable cost, but the fixed cost is affecting your decision. It depends on the information, the additional information related to the question: what is the percentage of unavoided fixed cost? Here's some example which has taken in the slides in our lectures. Yeah. And also I think we took the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is a cost on making decision. It is a cost, additional cost on making decisions. Okay. Then as you see here, the opportunity cost is a cost added to the making decision, so this is the total cost is increased. Another way is to not calculate as an expense, it may decrease in expenses in buy, but the majority treat it as an additional expense on making decision. Also, there's an example. Sell or process further. The incremental analysis related to the sell or process further concentrate on what? On the additional information about the joint cost. The joint cost is irrelevant information. As we see here, sell unfinished, the total or net income is $15, but if you process further it's 16.6 with an incremental of $1.6. So we can process further. You can differential the sell or process for every information from selling price to the cost of every type of cost, material, labor, or manufacturing overhead, whatever. So the common cost or the common process, which is joint cost, is irrelevant for decision, should be ignored when you apply the incremental analysis. But the further processing needed some cost, that is which matter for your comparable between to stop here or process further. The new selling price is also relevant for the decision. So when you see joint cost, it does not matter. If you want to allocate or calculate the total cost per unit, you may use it, but for stop or process further, no, you should ignore the joint cost. Also, we took this in the slides in our past previous lectures. Yes, we took repairs are return and replace, but it is not included in midterm exam. يعني بس احنا حبينا نقارب ما بين ما موجود بالكتاب ما بين ما تم اعطائه لكم بالسلايدات، ويعني ينتظر منكم دراسة بجد بهذا الموضوع. في أسئلة كثيرة محلولة بهمكم تشوفوها. الأسئلة برضو يعني الأسئلة متعلقة هي short answer question أو self test question، وموجودة إجاباتها بآخر الشابتر، يعني تستفيد منها. زي ما نعرف امتحان صحيح multiple choice، لكن هو يعتمد على الحل بشكل أساسي. راح نعطيك واجبات بعدين جزء من هذه الأسئلة، يعني نشوف واجب نبعث لكم إياه بحيث أنكم تستفيدوا منه. طبعا الأسئلة هاي ما فيها بدمج موضوعين ببعض، هو بس إيش يعني كل سؤال بكون معني بقضية معينة، إما sell or process further أو make or buy أو special order. أوكي، وهذا إن شاء الله يعني اعتبروا واجب لكم هذا السؤال على ما يبدو جميل. prepare an incremental analysis for the special order. معطيك البيانات هاي، بقول لك اعمل لي التحليل التفاضلي لنرفض ولا نقبل الطلبية الخاصة اللي هو كان طالبها بسعر بده 15,000 وحدة بسعر 7.6. فهذا بدك تشوف انت شو كانت التكلفة القديمة شو التكلفة الجديدة. بيفترض طبعا لما يطلبك سؤال زي هيك ما بيعلق على قضية مبيعاته التاريخية أو مبيعاته الاعتيادية والأنيوس كاباسيتي، تلقائيا أنت بسمح. طبعا هون كاتب لك إنه 75% of plant capacity، فهو استخدم 5% من القدرة الإنتاجية تبعه، فإذا هو عنده